In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to control plane in the Crew 2 PC. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna cover all of the controls that you need to be aware of in order to control a plane in the Crew 2. So I'm gonna give you a basic breakdown of all of the keys that you will be pressing on a standard keyboard. So first, for the basic flight controls, you will be able to throttle with W to accelerate and S to decelerate. So S and W for the throttle. You will be able to pitch up and down by pressing up and down on the arrow keys. So use the arrow keys to pitch up and down. You can roll left and roll right by pressing A and D, and you can yaw left and right by pressing Q and E. You can use your landing gear by pressing X, so to keep it short in summary, you throttle with W and S, you pitch up and down with the arrow keys, you roll left and right with AD, and you yaw with Q and E to the left and right respectively, and you use your landing gear with X. The best way to master these flight controls is to spend a lot of time practicing in free roam mode. You can use the arrow keys to adjust your camera view if needed, and you can use the shift key to activate the afterburner. This will give you a speed boost. You can customize the controls to other keybinds. These are going to be the default ones, but you can always go over to the game settings and change each individual setting in there for your keybinds. Pay attention to the plane's speed and angle. A gentle approach is key for smooth landings. And remember, again, that flying takes some practice. With patience and persistence, you will be able to fly using only your keyboard. So use WASD to control the throttle and the roll, and use up and down on the arrow keys and Q and E for pitch up and down and yaw left and right. And your landing gear can be accessed by pressing X. I hope I was able to help you on how to control plane in the Crew 2 PC. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.